Hey y'all, what's up? It's time for another plan with me. Once again, I'm in my stickers playing. I've been having a ball and I've been buying a lot of new stickers. And I told y'all before I'm starting to get into these mini kits. I absolutely love them. So I picked one up especially for Valentine's Day. Alright, so let me show you real quick before we start playing. So I picked up this little sticker kit from Sweettplans. I found her on YouTube just scrolling. Well, I wasn't just scrolling. I really did look up like hashtag mini sticker kits. And I found these so cute. Let me get them out the bag. So it does come with a little greeting card with a note on the back. I'm not gonna read it. It does come with a little freebie. So cute. Once again, these are from Sweettplans. You can find her on Etsy and you can find her on Etsy, I believe, and Instagram. Now, I do let me preface this plan with me by saying I think these are adorable. This is just amount of Mickey and Minnie that I can handle. This is about it. This is as far as it goes. All right. But when I saw these, I just thought they were so cute. They kind of look like they're hand drawn. They kind of have a little vintage look to them. They do have the days of the week. Some, I don't know what these boxes are called, y'all. Let's call them half boxes, but they're cute. Second page has a couple washi strips. I don't know what that box is called. Habit trackers. Bill dues, some banners, some icons, and some numbers. And then you have some, I'm going blank, y'all, just bear with me, check off lists, just some cute little boxes that you can write in, bows, decorative boxes, and some work schedules. So I just thought these were just absolutely adorable. So I picked them up. So that's enough of the chitter chatter. I'm ready to play in stickers. I hope y'all enjoy this music and this plan with me. Let's go get into some stickers. off camera. I was having technical difficulties just putting this together. For one thing, once you put these stickers down, girl, they not coming up, and if they coming up, they taking your insert with you. But I still love the kit. I love it. I love it. I love it. I went really, you know, white space this week. I feel like I'm gonna have a lot to do because I am going back to work this week. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna need as much white space as usual. Do you see this cute little girl in her red? That's from what is it, Redlyrics? I'll make sure I put it in the description box. I'll put the name of where this kit came from in the description box. Make sure y'all check them out. They're cute, but just know, with these stickers, girl, once you put this down, I mean, unless you got that undo glue stuff, which I don't have time for, unless you got that, this ain't coming up. And if it do, you're taking your insert with it, okay? So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, the playing with me, and all of the mess and the technical difficulties. Thank y'all for rocking with me. As y'all see, I'm trying to rejoin society, but I keep having slip-ups. But anyways, I want to thank y'all for coming by. Thanks for rocking with me. Give me a thumbs up on this video, and if you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. Press that button. It ain't nothing but a click of the button, okay? And I'll see you on the next video. Deuces.